BD Floors, Cole's notes of the big 5 considerations when picking a commercial floor. The big 5 of commercial flooring: elephants, lions, leopards, rhino, and water buffalo. Oh wait, that's Africa's big 5. Here's a question: why aren't hippos or giraffes in the big 5? We'll answer after discussing the big 5 of commercial flooring. So the big 5 of commercial flooring to consider when selecting a flooring option are cost, maintenance, durability, longevity, and safety. Number 1, cost. Budgets must be adhered to, so be upfront with a budget so your client doesn't fall in love with a product that is out of reach. Number 2, maintenance. Ask your client what daily, weekly, monthly, and annual maintenance they are willing to do to keep their floors looking gorgeous. One of our favorite high traffic products is carpet tiles. These versatile tiles come in various shapes and sizes. And although they need a good annual cleaning, routine vacuuming will keep the carpet tile looking great. Number 3, durability. Is the space high traffic or low traffic? Does it need to be invincible or merely resistant to scratches, dents, stains, and spills? A great durable floor option is luxury vinyl in sheeted tiles. LVT also comes in planks that are styled as wood or ceramic and allows that gorgeous look without the refinishing of wood or cleaning of grout. Number 4, longevity. If looking at a surface that is large and needs a huge durability and longevity, we would recommend polished concrete. Polished concrete is gorgeous, and if you want more style and have a perfect concrete base, it's easy to add an epoxy coat for that wow factor. And lastly, number 5, safety. Some commercial surfaces need to make safety a priority. We are seeing more rubber floors in senior facilities as it's not slick when wet and has a more forgiving option if a fall does occur. If you'd like more info on any of these products, give us a call at 604-254-9571. Or call to book our showroom with your client and have access to multiple products and styles all in one location. Oh, and by the way, the reason why hippos and giraffes are not part of the Big 5? Well, the African Big 5 are named for those animals that were hardest for game hunters to acquire, as they are quite ferocious when cornered. We're hoping that the Big 5 are only popular now with people who shoot with cameras. Thanks for listening. See you at BD Floors.